Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look on how to save a PowerPoint presentation to PDF format that you can then share via email or publish it on the web. So I'm going to show you 3 ways to save your presentation as a PDF file, and also I'm going to share with you how you can attach directly a PDF format, a presentation in a PDF format to an email right from Microsoft PowerPoint. And today's video is sponsored by CloudSup. CloudSup is an online service tool that can help you transfer files from one cloud provider to another. For example, if you have your files hosted on OneDrive and you wish to switch to Google Drive, that's no problem. It's all done in 3 easy steps. You need to select the folders and files that you wish to transfer, and then choose the destination where you want them to be copied. And that's it. You simply click Start, and then your files will be copied to the new cloud provider. For more information, please check the link in the description below and register for free and start migrating or transferring your files. So let's get started with how to save your PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file. The first option, which I find very straightforward, is to go to File. So go ahead and click on File, and then click on Save As, and then you'll be prompted with this this menu. I'm gonna choose this PC. Of course, you can save it on OneDrive, or you can add another place, if you have an online FTP server, for example. But for the sake of this setup, I'm gonna save it to PC. And as you can see here, Microsoft PowerPoint gives me the option to name my file, and from the list where you see PowerPoint presentation and you have the format for the PowerPoint extension, click on this list and you will choose PDF file, and now you can name your file my presentation, and it will be saved as PDF. Also, you have an option here, more options. This link, if you click on this, you will be prompted with a few options. Let me move this window right here, on how to save the file as PDF. What you want to do is you can also change, of course, the meta tags, so the author, other tags, the title, the subject, and so on and so forth. You can leave it as standard PDF file or minimum size, and what this does is basically, for example, if you have a presentation that is heavy on images or other visual content, the format will have a slight you'll see a slight reduction in the quality of that content. So for example, if you have a high resolution picture, it will be saved as still good but a lower quality picture, so that the overall size of the file it's smaller. So for example, if you don't have, if you want to send this to an email that maybe doesn't support, let's take for example more than 25 megabytes of data as attachment, then you can choose the minimum size, and then the PDF will be still good but slightly lower quality in terms of the images that it contains. Okay, and then you have also an option button here. So if you click on this one, you will see that you can choose to save as PDF all the slides in your presentation, or slides from, let's take an example, from 1 to, maybe I don't want to save all 9 slides, so I'm going to say 1 to 5. And also from the publish options, you have the options to select publish all the slides, or the notes or handouts. So these are basically like small thumbnail on one file, or even the notes from your presentation. Under the slides you can choose to add a couple of notes for your presentation, and other bits and pieces that you can select here from, like include comments if you have comments on the presentation, or include hidden slides. So if you choose to hide a couple of slides, now you have the options to include them in the PDF. For the sake of this example, I'm gonna select slides, click OK, and I'm gonna select all the slides and publish the slides here, and then you can select the name of your presentation and click save. Okay, next option is, let me go back to this template presentation that I have here. Other option that you have is go to again to file, then click on export, and then you should see the option create a PDF document. Yes, I already have like create an Adobe PDF option here, but this is just an add-on for an Adobe software that I have installed on the computer. Normally you don't see this. You will see this second option here, create PDF document. So if you click on this, you'll be prompted again to click on create PDF, and then you're back to the screen where you can choose to name your file and click publish. Of course, you have again the standard and the minimum option, and also the option panel. Another option that you also have at your disposal to save a presentation as PDF file is go again to file and then choose print. And from the printer list, you should see something like Microsoft Print to PDF. Select this, and once you click print, you'll be prompted again with the save as option. So go ahead and my presentation or PPT document and save it as PDF. Cool. Now, if you have a presentation and you want to share it directly via email as PDF, what you can do is go again in the file menu and look for the share option. So click on share, and here you have a few options. The one that we want is to send attached as email, and then you have the option to send as PDF. This is the one that we're looking for. Click on this, and then you'll be prompted with and the presentation will be converted directly to a PDF file and attached to the email. Cool. So there you go. 3 options to save your presentation as PDF files, and one to attach it directly as PDF to an email. Hopefully this was useful for you. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. If you like the overall content, and if you like this type of tips and tricks on PowerPoint, make sure to subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments what other tips and tricks would you like to know, or videos regarding PowerPoint. And I'll make sure we're gonna have a playlist with all of this bundled together. So thank you again for watching this. See you in the next one. Bye.